now we have a DMEC procedure done by Dr. Samar Basak. He is the director and founder member of Disha Eye Hospitals and heads the Cornea and Eye Bank. So the patient is a 62-year-old lady who underwent cataract surgery elsewhere in January this year, and later developed TAS and the cornea decompensated. So the plan is to do a Descemet membrane endothelial keratoplasty. Over to the OT view, please.
Can I start now?
Yes, yes, sir.
So you see there is huge bulla of this patient, so I am just removing the loose epithelium, but you must be very careful not go up to the limbus because sometimes limbus vessels bleeds. Pupil is not that great. You see little bit of pus in the periphery in this part, but the nasal part is quite all right. I have done already the side ports. You can see the marks. We give the marks because sometimes difficult to identify while working with BSS. So I am giving this mark of, this is a template mark of 8.5 millimeter mark. So my proposed area of descemetorexis is like 8.5 millimeter.
So this is a case of TAS?
TAS, yeah,
TAS,
you see the pupil in iris atrophy, peripheral iris atrophy is there.
I think very brave of you to do TAS for live surgery, very difficult.
I know that, but I have to do it. So I am going little bit posterior because cornea is not that big. So I am going just posterior limbal incision. So
yeah. Sir, a challenging case, definitely. And just wanted to know, Rajesh here, sir. Just wanted to know what was the duration? I mean, when was the cataract surgery done? When did the TAS happen? I mean, how much is the gap that you have kept?
It is almost a year.
Okay,
back.
okay.
So, Jalda.
So I think that is what is generally recommended, that post-TAS you should allow at least 6 months before
that is very vital. Otherwise, there is a lot of inflammation and pigment dispersion. So I am giving little bit posterior limbal incision. So I gave trypan blue beforehand to stain the DM. So you give we use Hilon, or we can do under AR, but I prefer Hilon in this case.
So you don't use AC maintainer in this?
Normally I do not use AC maintainer. So you see that Hilon is otherwise very good. And TAS, sometimes it is difficult to score the Descemet because sometimes scarring is there, and sometimes you need to really dissect the DM to you can see that
it generally doesn't come out piecemeal and then small
Yes.
fragments will come
So
out.
there is a central adhesion. I could feel it. So there is adhesion here. So there is DM scarring at the center. So
and just to emphasize that it is very essential to remove all the descemes when you are doing a DMEC procedure, unlike DSEC when you can still manage even without even if there is.
So you see that it has been removed nicely. So
very excellent demonstration, sir, of the removal of the Descemet.
You see that what you have told that it is coming as piecemeal. So this is the DM hole. It is totally blue strain. And there is pus. So I do not disturb the pus because sometimes we know that bleeding happens. So দেখি হিলন দা ওটা দিয়ে করব কোথায় কোনটাতে টিপতে হবে ভিট্রেক্টমিতে জাস্ট এটাতে ফুট সুইচ টিপলেই হবে So I am trying to do a inferior PI.
So this is just to acknowledge the fact that Dr. Samar Basak was there at RP Center and did a workshop for all of us, in fact, in RP Center. And we learned our techniques of DMAC from sir.
তোর ইয়ের জলটা কোথায়
Thank you, sir, for that.
হ্যাঁ জল থাকে না তুমি ইয়ে দাও আমাকে সাইড পর দাও So I'll go external PI because the vitrector I am not habituated with the constellation vitrector and pupil is not great. So I am doing external incision to do a, you see that there is already pigment release.
So there's a question why PI is required. So
PI is required because we keep air fill completely. So there is unlike DSEC where you exchange little bit of air with BSS. So you keep 60% air at the end of the procedure. But here the air we keep.
Yeah. And mostly it is done inferiorly because you know whatever air gets absorbed, even if I mean it has a tendency to move up. So the risk of pupillary block, the risk of the advantage of inferior PI is that it clears up in that area, so the aqueous can come from the
So you must check that your PI is actually complete. So I have checked this PI is when iris is atrophy, so the color of the iris is little whitish. So I'll do the AC wash now. I will check the PI again during AC wash.
Yeah, no, air is used and not C3F8.
Yeah, you see the PI is patent and you can see the nice slit of PI mark is there. So as because it is Hilon, it is easy to remove Hilon, but you should go all around the limbus so that tidbits of this Hilon should not be there in the anterior pupil. Is not.
So you don't use the automated system to remove the Hilon?
No, here the system is constellation. I am not
Sir
accustomed.
is not used to constellation.
Constellation. I am with my phaco machine. It is fine, but here the foot Swiss and everything is little different. So I am using the Simco. I am very much comfortable with Simco. So give air. Air though. So this is the time you must give air because otherwise there is sometimes bleeding which may actually spoil the surgery. So you give air. So you see the amount of air is there. It is fairly good amount of air. You see that your AC, that because we want to keep like this type of air. You see that tension is pretty good and wounds are all well sealed. So I am happy with this air. So this is the time I prepare my tissue. So normally I don't prepare my tissue early. Because this 4-5 minutes is required for this tamponade and for little bit clarity of the cornea.
What age donor you are taking, sir?
The donor is now, I am using a 67 years old donor.
Okay.
pen.
So I think this is the corneoscleral rim which has been flipped the other way round.
Only to mark the center, and
okay.
also I used to give a template 8.5 millimeter mark.
Sir,
It
can
is
you
slightly
center it? Sir?
yeah.
Yes. Sir, can you center it? Yes, sir.
The table is moving, that's what.
No, sir, we can see the mark very
Yeah,
well, the
yeah.
central as well as the peripheral, both.
এগুলো যেগুলো হয়ে গেছে সরিয়ে রাখো। ফোকাস হবে হবে।
Focus, sir, it is focused for us.
आप ठीक है?
Absolutely, sir.
Okay. So I'll take 9.5 millimeter. You see, this is 9.5 millimeter trephine. So we'll give. Hey, এটাকে fix করে রাখো। Fix করে রাখো। টেবিলটা প্রচুর নড়ছে। See, for DMEC dissection, you need everything fixed. Otherwise, I can remember one graft was spoiled in Boa. I was showing the live dissection, and table moved suddenly, and the whole DM in my hand. So I gave a template mark of 9.5 millimeter, little bit eccentric. That is, to some extent, purposeful. If I get a better tissue. এই আমার ফুড সুইচটা পায়ে দে। So I remove the peripheral. This is iris. That actually this is always line. So I remove the peripheral and try to get the dissect the peripheral part of DM endothelium complex. You see that I am removing. Try to see the. Can you? The focus is all right.
It's okay, sir. Just center it more towards you. Yeah. Yeah. Very nicely, sir. The peripheral part has come out.
Now I'll try to find out the cleavage. So I have a special instrument. You see, there is nothing. It is just a hook.
Yes, sir. Very nicely focused.
Now, but I am not focused. That is the main problem is happening. Anyway. So you see, I am just trying to see the peripheral. এটা নড়ছে কেন? So you get, so I am going all around, like this part I have separated, it is separated, separated. I am going in between DM endothelium complex and peripheral corneal stroma.
So I think this is a new thing that
It is a modification of my previous technique, and I found this is very useful tip. When I did this like BCL interface technique, I have reported, Cornea Journal has accepted my paper, it will come next 2 months, and then I did DMEC PD. This thing is very, very useful. So I go all around 360 degree to loosen the peripheral edge of DM endothelium complex. So I go all around like this side, it is very much attached, so I will target this area to peel the DM. So again I will stain it with trypan blue. The people used to say that trypan blue is toxic for endothelium. It is not. In fact, it gives you clue whether the endothelium is viable or not.
Yes. sir.
Yeah.
So that is very useful tip in earlier days when we didn't have this the specular microscope. So I just peel like this. So I go in one go, little side to side movement of the hand, and I go little bit from 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock position. Sometimes it sleeps, sometimes it stares down.
So excellent, beautiful.
So
That
you
was-
can see that now I am using a little different direction. Only thing I have to have very close look on both the sides. Sometimes you get resistant, you stop and try to understand what is happening. When it is covered like 70%, 80%, you are absolutely sure that your job is done. So we do around 1.5 to 2 millimeter hinge. So my job is done.
Beautiful, sir.
Excellent.
So I
sir.
will do now the 3 millimeter stromal punching. This is usually at the peripheral level so that the S marks remain little eccentric. So this is done. You always check, sometimes it is through and through, sometimes it is so you float the DM like this, it float backs. So I use these two sponge, one is I call green sponge and blue sponge. One
Yeah.
is PVA and one is cellulose. This is cellulose, it soaks the fluids very quickly, otherwise it takes time. So you just flip it. So I take a Sinskey hook. And you see that you can
Yeah.
just make it like this. Happens accidentally. This is not purposeful, but usually
But it-
through and through.
Yeah.
But
And
it-
it
But
looks
it is
good
good,
when
sir.
It has
you
done
feel
the
like
job.
this. It is looks elegant that you are
Yeah.
doing very nice, like a lid.
Yeah.
And you soak again two sponge, one green and one blue. Blue is PVA and green one is cellulose. So you do this because it soaks this window you have to see for otherwise the A stamp you will make, it will do like little smudging and your S mark will not be that good.
So beautiful, it looks like a desbetocele.
Yes, yes. So you put S mark.
Yeah.
Beautiful, sir.
So you just close like this. It is so elegant, you don't have to look hither or thither. And now what will be my graft size? That is very crucial
Yeah.
because I initially marked 8.5 and it was too close to limbus, and also there is little pass in this case. So my graft size in this case will be 7.5.
So there's a question that why this S mark. So the basic idea is that you don't want the tissue to be, too open
7.5.
inverted.
Upside.
So if it's inverted, then you won't actually see the S. It will be inverted S. So then you have to float and then put it in the right direction so that you can directly see that the S is proper. You can see S, and that is the correct orientation.
S is for Dr. Samar Basak.
Yes, S.
And S
yeah.
is for stromal side up.
Yes,
S is for success.
yes,
S is for success. Sir.
yes, sir. I used to feel that S is for Sinha.
I feel S is for Sharma. So
So I am doing cut of 7.5 though. So it is 7.5 millimeter. So you see how I have prepared my graft, Namrata and Rajesh. You
Perfect,
see
sir.
what is this? This is called DMEC PD.
Yes.
Yes, this is DMEC PD. You see, it is such a nice eccentric graft, and I know this density of this graft is endothelial cell is much more higher than the central part.
Yeah.
So you remove the peripheral part and you discard it, and your central part is there. And if you see distance, this distance versus this distance, it is almost double.
Yes, sir.
So this is what I try to tell people, try DMEC PD. So you must be very careful and very slow. So now again Trypan Blue. So Trypan Blue I used in this case during donor preparation 3 times. I will keep the tissue separately, wait for a minute, ekbare niye nebo. So people has different time period. That some people say that it must be for more than a minute. Some people, there are several studies, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. But to me, 1 minute is good enough to stain. And when you stain this, then you have to use 2 sponges. Because this part again is very, very crucial. If you use 1 sponge, it will drag the tissue towards sponge. Drop by drop BSS, and you have to soak the. So drop by drop, and you will see that it is floating. And we try to understand the scroll pattern while dropping. Then you see there is formation of the scroll. Also you see that how the scroll is formed. From here I usually shift it to a petri dish. There is a small petri dish because I want to see how the graft is behaving in the petri dish. So you see that it is not very tight scroll. It is more or less ideal scroll.
Yeah, perfect scroll,
Perfect.
sir.
Perfect scroll.
Yeah.
So between 60 to 70, if you choose a tissue, your scroll is actually what we like, this type of scroll. So you take in a syringe. This is AR40 Curtis. You know that I am still not shifted to any of my. So I have taken in the syringe, cartridge. This is actually AR40 sensor multipiece.
Yeah, it is scrolled inside. It's scrolled and it comes into the.
So I am keeping it securely now. I will come back to my patient. It is almost 7-8 minutes has gone. So you see the cornea behavior, anything bleeding usually stopped. Ei payer kache eta de soriye de. So this is the last part of the surgery. This is the most difficult part. The donor preparation, initially we used to think that it is difficult, but over a period of time you will see that it is not so difficult. But again, bleeding is very important. You have to check the bleeders and see the conjunctiva. কোথায় সরে যাচ্ছে আবার এই দেখো না আপনা আপনিই সরে যাচ্ছে কেন
All these steps are quite, difficult, but in the hands of experts like Dr. Basak, it looks
No,
very
I
simple.
know that difficult, but tissue preparation is not that difficult. এই নড়ে যাচ্ছে কেন এরকম এই দেখো নিজে নিজেই নড়ে যাচ্ছে দেখি জল দাও So I'll give a wash again. Again, only I have a doubt that this patient, we do not this size pupil before graft insertion. So usually around little bit smaller people is expected. I have given pilocarpine, and because of TAS, and you see that there is severe peripheral this thing, atrophy, and this is. So another thing I used to prefer that, like this is a small gauge piece you see, I used to give at the lateral angle of this thing. ওই লাইট কি হলো তোমাদের হঠাৎ best of
so
time.
would you-
So I like to leave the speculum. This actually solve two purposes. One is this is lifted up to reduce the vitreous pressure, because many of these patients we know there are post-vitrectomy eyes, and also in 3 occasions the donor came out and it stuck here. So you can reuse that with little bit loss, otherwise it will go into the drain. So that is the reason. So
Very nice tip, sir. Very nice, very useful tip.
so I have learned, because in 3 cases I lost tissue, then in every cases so I go like this. It is just little shallow RSE, I push like this, and then I little bit press with my syringe only to see that what is happening, and probably I am not sure now. I have to zoom it and I have
I
to
think S
see.
looks correct. S side.
Sometimes it is so difficult. Myself and Shom used to like do lot of betting on this. Okay, bet. And other cornea fellows, okay, bet. What is happening? So I am just tapping in the center. It seems that it is on right orientation.
Yes.
And little play with the side ports and little tapping.
see
You
the
see
S
that I
there.
am gradually opening it. One side it is open,
वो दिख रहा है ना S तो दिख रहा है?
and then the other side I have to look. Still I am not sure, because the cornea is not that great.
Also, sir, if you put a blob of viscoelastic on the surface of the
That is
cornea,
at the end.
sometimes it just magnifies for that
Yeah,
split
at
of
the
a
end
second.
we will
Yeah.
show that, but right now I am just.
It has almost
Opening
opened
it.
up. Sir. It has
But we are not
yeah.
sure it is open completely.
open.
Completely
But not sure that what has happened. This is the most exciting moment of this surgery, you see. So I'll go from one of the side ports, or sometimes go from the main port, but you should have some fluid here. 1 cc syringe is very important,
yes.
because we want to put little amount of air, and you see this blue color actually shows that I am behind the graft, and I put little air and it is reverse.
Can you see it, sir?
Yeah.
I
see
can
anything.
see it is
S,
reverse.
S is reverse.
Okay,
Can we
so
have a zoom view?
So let me check again.
actually it is too blue for us here to
Yeah,
appreciate.
it's too blue for us to
Ah,
say. but
for me
initially
also.
It was looking like.
Dara, Econo, I am not sure. Because the hazy, it is hazy, also too blue. I cannot see it in also the, it is also, huh? Here the একটু here দেখবো আমি এখনো now 1 cc 2 cc যা খুশি I am not sure still, because the S is here.
Inside only.
I have a feeling it is correct.
Because the corneal visibility, now S is reversed.
It
So
is
you
reversed.
see that
You
S
have to
is reversed,
refloat it.
right, it is reversed.
Now you can see.
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
Yes, you can appreciate, so I have to remove this here. This is the, so it happens sometimes. If you have, like Namrata, they have intraoperative
OCT.
OCT, then you can.
How do
so-
you make out it is reverse?
S.
For those who know nothing about this
Reverse
surgery.
S. If the S is in proper orientation, then it is not reverse. If S is reverse, then this means that the lenticule is
It
reverse.
will look like an inverted S.
So this is most crucial, and you have to be very, very gentle, and because sometimes it's happened 3 times, it is reversed. Then you are proper position. I have not made the main port any suturing. So this is the time I have already flipped that. You have noticed it, not very slowly I have flipped it. So basically two instrument, one is like a small iris repositor, another is just, and you have to remove all the air bubbles small because they will not allow to unfold it.
Chandelier also you can use to see.
Yes. Chandelier. There are also, you can have like what called endoilluminator kind of thing. So this time again I am little optimistic that it is now I can see it.
This is looking straight, sir. This is proper.
I am trying to centering it because
Yeah.
centering is very difficult here in this case because you see that peripheral iris is, that side is anterior pass is there.
Yeah. The
So
problem
you
is
have
that once
to-
you put the air bubble, the graft is not going to budge. So all
That
your
is very
yeah.
important. So that means you have to go right at the center to
Yeah.
inject the air. Otherwise, you will lose that centration of the graft. So to me, it is little eccentric. It does not matter. But if it is more eccentric, riding on the angle, then you may have. So I am putting little air. And yes, is right now.
Wonderful, sir.
So what Namrata told, I just want to show that, and then I'll close my surgery. The surgery is done.
S.
Namrata has
So
shown
S
this.
should look at you, stare
This
at
is
you.
magnified S. S for Sharma, S for Shina.
S for summer
Summer, sir.
and S for success.
Yes, for
Chalo.
success.
Thank you very much.
Wonderful surgery, sir. Wonderful.
I'll
Top
just
class.
complete the air filling. It has been done beautifully, and the
Lovely surgery even to the uninitiated.